So in this video, I will talk more in details about the viewports, and because I think it's really important for you to understand the viewport clearly, because it's gonna be much more convenient for once you get used to it. So first, I'm just gonna create a box and maybe sphere, yeah. And then for the viewport, if you want to move up and down, you just click on the middle mouse button on your mouse to span on the scenes. So instead of like clicking to the pan view, you just go up, down like this with your mouse, so it's like quicker and shorter. Then you just have to go in here and find it. Another one is that to rotate, for the shortcut, it's Alt and then hold the middle mouse and then drag it. Then you're able to rotate the objects. Yeah, so instead of going into rotate here, so to this you can just do like Alt and middle mouse and then drag like this to rotate. So but then this is one way, but another way is to do the orbit sub objects. So for here, it's like you can see if I click on it, it's gonna show like this, or you can and then you're gonna start to rotate. Yeah. But then also there's another way to use this, as you go to here, you hold it and then it's gonna show this one, which is the point of interest rotations. So maybe just click on here and then it's gonna rotate around that point, so it's much easier to use. Yeah. And then yeah, so also another thing is that sometimes you will feel like, oh, this viewport is like a bit small, it's really hard to see clearly. You can press Alt W to zoom into this view, and then once you finish, you want to look at another view, you can click Alt W again and it's gonna return to your normal layout. Yeah. And another thing is that about this creating objects in 3D Max, so this is the modify tab. So here you will create all the shapes that you want. So for example, I will create again another here, and then you can move, click on it, and then you can move up, down, it's up to you. So maybe like here, so here it will show like the dimensions of the object, so the length, the width, the height. You can also change it here, so yes, like this, or like enter a number if you want to. Yep, so I can do like 50, 25, the height be like 40, yeah, and it should be like this. And for this is the length of segments, the length of segments of the object. So to be able to see the lines of the segments, you have to change it to the shape, the thing to the hidden line. Yeah. So as you can see, like this is the length, the width, and then something like this. So yeah. So also this is for you to name it, so you can rename the objects and change the color of it, so it's gonna differentiate your objects. Another thing is that when you look into your 3D Max page, you can't find like all the layers page, or the layers view. The layers tab, that usually they have it, and sometimes like you open it, you cannot see it anymore. So you can go to edit, oh no, actually you go to tools, and then you click to the scenes explorer. Yep. And it kind of shows like all of your the layers of your objects. So you can hide it like this, or frozen it, which you cannot, like if you frozen this one, you cannot click on it anymore, but then you can still click on these because you haven't frozen it yet. So yep. So this is the scenes explorer. And also another fun thing is that when you click W on to the objects, it will show this X, Y, Z axis. So this is really convenient, so you can move your objects around by using this. So you click out here, move like this, and this X axis, or click on here to move it in the Y, or the Z, and also or you can just click on this thing, and then it can be like move the whole like thing around, or this one, yeah, or this one into like this, yeah. So this is like quite similar to Gumball, if you ever learn Rhinos or other programs. Also you hit the the E, so this is to rotate your objects along like any axis that we need to. So this, like this, or you can do like this, yeah. And you can see like when you move this, these numbers at the the bottoms is like changing. So this is the informations of like the rotations and the positions for your objects that we have selected. So you can either like do it here if you want to, or just type in a number that you want. Yep. Yes, and then here like this. Yeah, but then if you're using this, it's like quicker. Yeah. Another thing is you press the R, click into your objects. This is for you to scale your objects like really quickly. So if you like don't have like a specific size you want to, you can just use like this, or you can go to this one and then put like the dimensions you want. Yeah, so that's another basic things about 3D Max.